I can see everything so clear. Now that you're really gone, I can feel you like you're standing here. And if I had another chance to say goodbye, I would just say thank you for the times we spent, and not to cry, 'cause I'm still watching over you. Though we're far apart, the memory left me so far from my heart. I'm watching over you. I've looked inside my dreams, and every time I see you watching over me. How can we lose our way?